Tuesday, and guys, this is a new week, and I had to vlog about it because it was a lot that was about to happen with this week, because it's just a busy one, right? So with everything that I have going on, I definitely wanted to share it with you guys because I get to see my CDI ladies. We got a couple events going on. I got a couple broadcasts going on, the podcast going on. It's a lot. And I'm going to see Usher, y'all. So y'all got to watch this. Ooh, how did you do that? Y'all got to watch this podcast right here because it's going to be just exciting and a lot in it. Baby, how did y'all had that bad of an accident in the parking lot? I'm trying to tell y'all. I don't think I had a podcast where there was not an accident. So I'm glad I'm at my location so I can get out, because the people driving crazy as usual. So let me go ahead and get my nails done real quick, and let me finish so I can tell y'all about this podcast tonight. Oh, and about Usher tomorrow. Okay, guess what, guys? It is a new week, but I'm a day late. Not $1 short, but I'm a day late. So I am headed to the nail salon because this week is a really busy week. And I was about to not vlog it, but I got so many events going on. I said, let's capture the experience. Let's capture the footage because it's quite a bit. So guys, this is like my second week being Becky Baldhead, and it's growing on me a little bit. I mean, just because it's mainly convenient. Not that it's cute, but it's super convenient, and that's the main thing I like. So right now I'm ready to go ahead and get my nails done. I really don't have time, but with the day being Tuesday, I got my podcast tonight.
Okay. One eternity later.
Alright guys, so guess what I just did, y'all? Now, first of all, I am not that girl that go and get her nails done. That's just not my thing. It's not really something I enjoy. But here lately, I have been getting my nails done for, I don't even know, probably like a month or so. No, because my last nails haven't been done in a month. I don't know, let's just say 3 months. I don't remember. But even when I do get my nails done, or if I put on the press-ons, I am a real safe girl. Meaning I'm gonna go with the French, or white, or nude color. I called myself living on the edge a couple of months ago, and I actually got red nails, y'all. I was living on the edge. I was. But I'm trying to tell you, it has been maybe 15 years or more since like actually getting my nail done a different color and all that good stuff. So guys,
wow,
I took the plunge today and got a little color. Now I wanted to get French because I don't know, I'm a Frenchy girl, but I wanted to live on the edge a little bit and get my little nail right here painted this coral color. But Carrie is coming over tomorrow, and Carrie actually does nails, right? So they wanted to I wanted some like what you call them, little rhinestones or something on one of my nails. Guys, they be ridiculously charging for that stuff. Not to mention I got all that stuff home because I am her that does her own hair, her own nails. So I got all that stuff home. So since Carrie's coming up tomorrow, I'm gonna have her junk up one of my nails. Yeah, give me a little bling bling on my nail. So I like my color. I actually like the nails. I think it's super cute, and this is me living on the edge. So now I'm ready to go home. I gotta get ready for my podcast. Let's go.
Tomorrow.
All right, so here we is. First day back in the gym for me in a while, and Carrie flew in just to take me to the gym. Like, but here we go, day one in the gym.
A few inches later.
All right guys, so we did walk. Yeah, because she got me walking now. We did work out for an hour, and now this thing got me walking over here to Aldi's. I'm letting her know what they talking about. This ain't Denver with all this walking. I don't do all that, but I'm gonna do it. What in the world is happening over here? What are you talking about? Oh Lord. Mary and Suzanne over there having a whole conversation out loud. All right, so let's go see what LD got going on. I ain't been to LD in years. Let's see. I recognize. So
I'm gonna take you to Traders because they my friends that drink wine, they love the Trader Joe's.
okay, so they don't have her gluten-free products, and
We just trying to be gluten free over here, guys.
no, speak for you. Nah, give me all the gluten. I'm good.
This is the last one.
Do you have a possibility of having dairy free cottage cheese?
Oh my God. He likes you pushing it. She wants some cottage cheese now, y'all. Okay, so we just got back from the gym, and well, no, actually from the gym we went to Aldi's as I showed you guys, and Walmart, and I got these flapjack power cup because now Carrie just kind of told me the secret with this protein being so I weigh 165, 170 maybe. I need about 170 and carbs daily, and guys, I was doing nowhere near that. So I'm hoping that this, I'll try and increase my carb intake, definitely with the working out. I already drink water and things like that. I got my fruit. I'm hoping I feel a shift in my energy levels because I just been depleted. And I thought it was business, but I really think it's something to do with my body. Like things I'm putting in it or not putting in it because I don't really eat enough. So I'm gonna increase my protein. This maple syrup, I can no longer eat my Miss Butterworth's. This is not delicious. And for someone that doesn't like sweet, this kind of gave me a headache. But it's not horrible. I know it's gonna take me some getting used to because I really don't do sweet. And these pancakes are sweet too. But now that I'm a little more cognizant about how much I gotta increase my protein, and I mean like by a lot, because I was doing nowhere near 160 grams of protein a day. I'm lucky if I was getting 20 or 30. So we're gonna just see. So far, I definitely feel good just because I went in the gym. Yeah, this is not. It's not nothing to be screaming about. But I'm gonna keep on. So right now I'm ready. I got a bunch of fruit from the store. So I'm ready to get back on my fruit. Like just really increasing my fruit intake. I'm ready also juice. Cause I love juicing. I love how it makes me feel. When I drink apples, like freshly squeezed apple, or not, but freshly juiced apple juice, it instantly runs me to the bathroom and it just feels good. I can't explain it. It's like my body saying thank you. And then when I do the orange juice, it definitely wakes me up. It like revitalizes me. So today I'm gonna juice my apples, juice my oranges. I might juice a couple cucumbers just because. But when I'm ready to go out of town, I don't want them to go bad. But yeah, now that I know, see this stuff is so sweet, it make my teeth hurt. Now that I know to increase that's why I didn't want to get a box. That's why I got this one thing. I ain't getting no more. And my I keep saying cardio. My protein, I am going to be very specific on what meat I eat because I was about to cut meat out too. I don't know what's happening with my body. It just feels off. But I'm definitely going to try increasing the protein because I know I don't eat enough. And probably next week when I get back, I'm going to go and have my levels checked, like my iron and my vitamin D. I did order some vitamin D3. But, you know, with vitamin D3, for most people, you got to give it like a week to kind of take effect. So I'm going to do that. And just be real mindful of what I'm putting in my body, y'all. Because I just feel real sluggish. I'm taking my iron. I'm taking my sea moss, my ashwagandha, and normally it helps. Normally it gives me an instant boost, but today not so much. Well, this has been, really this has been for the past couple of weeks. So we're just gonna see. Let's just see how this journey pop out. Now I'm ready to finish cutting up my fruit prep, and juicing. All right, so here is my fruits. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Either a smoothie or I might just nibble on them in the morning, like when I'm eating breakfast. Here's my watermelon. Here's my apple juice. And here are my mason salads. These salads, baby. I ain't putting no dressing at the bottom. I got a different kind of dressing. So this is all I got so far. Now I just gotta do my oranges and I'm done. So when I'm on my food journey or eating right, there's something about a colorful fridge that makes me feel like I'm on the right track. I could go ahead, grab my juice. If I want some watermelon, I could grab my watermelon. If I want a salad, I could grab my salad. These ain't mine, so don't say nothing. But my fruit, I'll eat my cucumber just like that. Like, this is motivation for me to kind of just eat right. So we're gonna see how this go.